Hello, my friends. Do you enjoy learning about history? Have you ever heard about an exciting battle that took place in the ancient city of Troy? Let me tell you a little bit about it. We'll make up everybody's nickname so we can have some fun together, but we will correctly represent the original story plot. Helene Gomez, or Helen, wife of the Greek king Menelaus Bieber, or just Menelaus, fell in love with Paris Corey, or just Paris, and went off with him to Troy. This made Menelaus very angry, making him send the Greek army led by his brother Agamemnon Schwarzenegger, or just Agamemnon. This event started the War of Troy, which lasted 10 long years. The Trojans had a strong wall that protected them from intruders. This wall could be closed when there were invaders leaving them outside, or could be opened in times of peace. Do you want me to tell you about the thrilling combats that took place in this war? In one of the fights, Paris Carey fought against the Greek soldier Lebriel's James, or aka Achilles. Achilles was a perfect fighter, but had one weak point: his heel. Paris Carey found this out and decided to make a three-point shot with a poisoned spear to Lebriel's James' heel, killing the soldier. Another combat took place when Ajax Rock, or just Ajax from the Greek army, with one of his classical bad jokes, made Trojan Will Hector Smith, or just Hector, feel very angry. After battling each other for the whole day, Will Hector Smith decided to give a slap to Ajax Rock, which left him out of balance and made him flee. After 10 years of fighting, the Greek army decided to play a trick. They simulated getting out of Troy, but left a giant wooden horse as a gift. The play was that this horse was actually filled with 30 Greek soldiers inside. The Trojan archers at the top of the wall saw the horse from the distance and informed Troy. Most were very happy about the gift, which would help them brag about their victory, but some were feeling suspicious. Nonetheless, the Trojans opened the wall and took the giant wooden horse inside. Letting the celebration begin. Every Trojan was partying and drinking, singing and dancing, but at night, when these unfortunate Trojans had fallen asleep, the Greeks came sneaking out of the horse and silently opened the Trojan gate, letting the Greek army enter to invade and defeat the Trojans. Thank you.